Are you freaking out because this weekend you have to update all your Etsy listing descriptions? Do you find yourself questioning whether it's even worth all the time and energy? Take a deep breath. You know I got you. I'm gonna tell you how to do it right the first time. If you don't follow me months ago, I had my followers do this already. And this is what I told them. You need to use keywords in your titles, descriptions, tags, and your all images. So while you're in there updating your descriptions, I'm gonna have you put keywords in your images. So first things first, you're gonna go and you're gonna tackle your bestsellers. Click the gear icon, view stat, scroll down to the bottom, go down in search terms. Now use those keywords and make a description that makes it sound conversational, like you're talking to a real person. So to answer your question, is it worth it? Of course it is. Now here's what you're not gonna do. Copy and paste your title into the description. I'm all about efficiency, but not here. Etsy finally got it together, and now we're gonna go play in the big pond of Google, that is. So we don't wanna fuck it up. So make sure you're not keyword stuffing. The Google algorithm is smarter than that. And you're gonna get spammed. And when you get spammed, you get blacklisted. So for more information like this, you gotta follow a real one.